The Microtek EM4160 Plus digital stabilizer is the ultimate shield for air conditioners. It is a bestseller in voltage stabilizers and has excellent reviews from over 12,000 buyers, with 4,000 plus units purchased last month alone. Grid voltage fluctuations are constant and can cause damaging spikes and drops that harm AC compressors. The EM4160 Plus provides automatic protection, acting as your essential AC protector. Microtek has modernized its technology from the trusted legacy model. The new design features a sleek casing that fits perfectly into modern homes. This stabilizer supports both 1.5-ton window and split ACs. Its core is made with efficient alloy materials for optimal performance. The device has a safe operating window, automatically stepping voltage up or down as needed. It operates reliably between 160 volts and 285 volts. It features an automatic cutoff mechanism. The circuit cuts power below 160 volts and above 285 volts, protecting the AC PCB and compressor. In the event of a power grid failure, the smart time delay feature activates. The HLC timer delays the restart, allowing the compressor to balance internal pressure before resuming operation. The metallic gray case is designed for easy wall mounting. The digital interface includes a 7-segment digital display to show live voltage. Installation requires a 3-core wire system. The EM4160 Plus is a perfect fit for areas with mild to moderate voltage fluctuation, specifically 160 volts plus. For extreme brownouts, the wider range EM4130 Plus model is recommended. The Microtek EM4160 Plus offers unbeatable commercial value. The buyer pays 2,269 rupees, saving 37% off the MRP. Microtek provides a 3-year on-site warranty for peace of mind. The EM4160 Plus is the logical choice. It secures your AC compressor with its 160 volts to 285 volts range, offers superior market value with its smart time delay, and comes with a 3-year warranty.